Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to convert documents to PDF, ensuring your files are easily shareable and secure. Many people need to convert documents for work or personal use, and it is simpler than you might think. We will start with using your existing word processing software, like Microsoft Word or Google Docs. You simply open your document, go to the File menu, and then select Save as to choose the PDF option. Another incredibly versatile way to create a PDF is by using the Print to PDF function, which is available on most computers. This method treats the PDF creation process just like sending a document to a physical printer. To use it, open your document in any program, click on the File menu, and then select Print. From the list of available printers, choose the Microsoft Print to PDF option or its equivalent. Then click Print to save your file. For quick conversions, or if you do not have specific software installed, online conversion tools are a convenient solution. Websites like Adobe Acrobat Online, Smulpt, or I Love PDF allow you to upload your document and convert it with just a few clicks. Remember to always use well-known, secure websites for these tasks to protect your sensitive information. After conversion, you can typically download your new PDF file directly to your device within a few seconds. Once you have converted your document using any of these methods, the final and most crucial step is to verify the new PDF file. Open it up and carefully check every page to ensure all text, images, and formatting are perfectly preserved. Confirm that any links or special elements are working as expected. This quick review guarantees your PDF is ready for sharing or archival, providing peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.